The East Coast National Scenic Area Administration operates a visitor center at the rafting starting point in Ray Sui to serve rafters. The center provides rafting information as well as video introductions to rafting safety rules. In order to get the most fun out of your rafting experience, you should make sure to carefully listen to the safety instruction before setting out on the water. Rafters are recommended to wear long-sleeved shirts, long pants, soft-soled shoes or rubber shoes, a tightly fastened life vest, and a helmet. Most importantly, rafters are strongly advised to not use towels to protect their faces from sunburn, as this could make it difficult to breathe if you are thrown from the raft. People with heart problems, epileptics, and pregnant women should not take part in rafting activities. Rafting skills. Rafters should evenly straddle one of the two sides of the boat to maintain balance. Do not sit this way. Paddling on the right will turn the raft to the left, and left paddling will steer the raft right. Rafters should pull in their paddles at rapids, bend in toward the center of the raft, and hold fast to the rope in order to stabilize the raft's center of gravity. Rafters should pull in their legs when the raft approaches a rock or cliffside in order to prevent scraping against rocks. If the raft flips, don't panic. The life vest will keep you afloat. Just swim clear of the raft, clasp both hands to your chest, and wait for help. If the raft becomes grounded, rafters on the grounded side should get out and push the raft back into the main course of the river.